Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope my camera's not crooked because it looks crooked. Anyway, I've adjusted it several times. We're just gonna go with it. All right, for today's video, I have a few things to show you. I can't talk tonight, you guys. I have a few things to show you. I don't know where to start because I haven't really thought a lot about this video. I've been gone all day, went to visit my little granddaughters, and just came upstairs and thought, you know what? Before I put on my jammies, I am going to film a video because if I ever get comfortable and relax downstairs, it's not going to happen. So I went ahead and came up here for you guys. I do it all for you guys. Oh, and I always forget to say, please subscribe and join my fam jam. Maybe I just need to say that more. All right, if you guys want to see what all I have to share with you, stick around. We're going to start with my bag of the weekend. So I carried it today. It is my Speedy Soft 30. Oh my gosh. Probably one of my favorite bags in my entire collection. I know I always say they're all my favorites, but this really is, you guys. This is really, I think it's my #1 favorite. I love it. And look at this charm. This is from Coach, and I got it probably 7 years ago. I've always loved ladybugs. Don't ask me why. They're just cute. And I thought it was cute. It has silver hardware. And I just thought it looked really cute together. But yeah, this bag is so... If you ever need a hug, this bag is there for me, okay? I love it. I love these soft bags. And you guys, I am dying for the black leather, all black, Speedy, and leather, which is like, it's an arm and a leg, okay? But I'm thinking if I could sell off a few that I don't use very much, and I'm real, you know, I'm not easy to sell off my bags. We're gonna put this beauty right here because I hate seller's remorse, but I do have at least 2, possibly 3 bags, I think, that I could sell. And I know the pre-loved market is not the greatest right now, but that's a whole different story. I would sell those bags to fund the bag that I'm wanting. And speaking of that, I've got a video planned for next week, and it's my 2026 luxury wish list. I don't remember if I did one last year, but I'm going to do one this year. You know, I may get a couple of things off this list, but there's only 2 bags on the list, you guys. Can you believe it? There's other things that I'm wanting, but if I got 2 things off this list, I would be good. All right, so what's next? Okay, I had a request. I had a request from Emily, my friend Emily, and I'm going to link her channel below. She wants to know how does this stay, or how well does it stay on my shoulder. So I'm just going to tell you that, of course, I haven't carried this one, but the other 2 that I have used, they stay on my shoulder beautifully. I mean, this is a big opening right here. I could put it over my head and wear it as a necklace if I wanted to. So let me go ahead and stand up and show you. It is a very, I've got lots of room. I mean, that's a lot of space right here. And because it is wide, it's really good on the shoulder. I would say it's a perfect shoulder bag, okay? And I got plenty of space left. And I'm just an average size, but I think it would just about fit any shoulder, any arm could go through this. Hi. Okay, I'm in a silly mood. I can't talk. I might as well make a joke. But it is, Emily, it is a very shoulder-friendly carry. Let's put it that way. And there's lots of space here. Do I even have... I do. I'm gonna measure for you. How about that? I never measure stuff. if I can get it out of this cup, I will measure it. Okay, here we go. So, okay, so we've got about 9 inches here. And that's a good bit. It's very, like I said earlier, it's a very good shoulder carry. So if anybody is interested in a beaded stud bag, I don't think you would be disappointed, especially if you do love to carry your bags over your shoulder. I love crossbody. Well, I love them all, you guys. I like top handles, crossbody, and shoulder carries. And this is the perfect shoulder carry bag, in my opinion. All right, let's move along. I've got something that I ordered from eBay, and I don't really do eBay all that much, but this was a relatively inexpensive item. Like, I mean, I know a lot of people order luxury bags from eBay, but I'm not one of them. I've been burned not once but twice, and I do think they have made things better for the buyer. But when you've been burned not once but twice, you don't want to get burned 3 times. So if I want something expensive, I'm going to the boutique. And that's just me. I am nuts about these little things. Okay, let me just show you. I showed these to you guys a couple videos ago, and these are the only 2 little Rowan bag charms that I have. Now, I do have the regular Rowan to piggyback this on. I don't have the denim. I'm hoping when the denim collection drops on the 28th that they're going to have the Rowan, this Rowan. Like, I don't know for sure. I hope I'm not disappointed. If any of you guys know, let me know. I saw like a light chambray denim Rowan on TikTok, and I hope that's not it, because I would really love to get a Rowan to match this. If not, I probably will go eBay, but again, I'm not gonna pay a huge amount for it. Like, I would never buy a Louis Vuitton, a Gucci, YSL, or anything like that from eBay, but again, that's just me. So, I had these 2, and I thought I want to add to the collection, and what do you think I got next? This one. I had to have the cherries, okay? Because I do have several bags. I've got the Molly tote, and at some point, I will do my entire cherry collection for you guys, because I have quite a few things in this print. And then, of course, there's this. I had to have 2 versions of it. And I love these, okay? I want that powder pink one. And I saw it on eBay, but I'm not going to order it because there is a pink collection coming out in February. And if they have the powder pink little charm Rowan on there, I'm going to get it. And if they don't, I'll get it off eBay. One way or another, I'm going to get it, okay? But now, I have 3 little Rowan charms. I just think these are the cutest little things ever. And another thing, this one has the silver hardware, and this one has the gold. And this one has the gold. So, we're going to add to my little growing Rowan collection. I'm excited. Keith said to me, "What is that?" When I opened up the box, he said, "What is that? A purse for ants?" I said, "No, it's a little Rowan charm." And I said, "I'm collecting them." He said, "Why do you collect everything? What is this with you with collecting?" And I just, you know, I am a collector. I have a collector's mentality. I've been like that ever since I was young. When I find something I really love, I want multiples. And I just do. And so, I don't know. I've always collected things, okay? It's just in my DNA, I think. All right. The next, okay. I have a clothing item. I don't usually share with you guys the clothes I buy, but these are just too cute. They're overalls, okay? These are just too cute not to share with you. So, I got it from 3 Bird Nest. I like some of these places like June Adele, 3 Bird Nest, and Natural Life. They have a lot of that, you know, Bohemian look, really cute overalls, really cute everything. So those are some websites that I visit often. And I saw these overalls and I thought I have to have them. And last year I bought several pair in medium. And there goes that poltergeist light. I'm gonna have to get a new light, you guys. I say that every time I'm up here filming. But anyway, I really need a small now, but I'm still gonna wear the other ones because they're cute, you know, they're cute, baggy. They're supposed to be baggy. These are just so cute. I don't know what a small would be, but I'm about a size 6 now. Probably 6'4", 6'8". I'm not a size 4, but these are made, you know, to be loose and baggy. Look how cute. Look at the print. Oh my gosh. I love these. I'm gonna go back and get a couple more pair for summer because I love to wear like a little tank top underneath a little pair of overalls like this. These are just the cutest. Yeah. These look to be about a size 6'8", I guess. I'm not sure. You can look on the website, but so cute. These were on sale. I just saw them and had to have them. They had lots of other prints, but this was my favorite. So I don't have anything like this at all. This is just my jam, you guys. Like if I'm doing a show in the spring, this would be really cute to wear with a little just, you know, tank top underneath it. Just so cute. And some Birkenstocks. So cute. And they kind of have, look at the bottom of them. Kind of that frayed look, but they also have a finished bottom. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to wear these. You guys, I can't wait till spring. Are you guys ready for the winter storm? People down here have went berserk, okay? My daughter went to Walmart and she said it was unbelievable. They just go berserk in the South. It's like you're never going to get another piece of bread the rest of your life, so you got to go buy all the bread. Okay. So those are my cute little overalls from Three Bird Nest. If you've never checked out that website, definitely check it out. All right, the next 2 items in this box I ordered from Nordstrom, and it is Kate Spade. I haven't gotten anything from Kate Spade in a really long time, and there's another something I want to go back, but I'll explain here in a minute. But I'm excited about this one. Okay, here we go. All right, so it's so weird what I did. I wanted a Kate Spade belt because since I've lost some weight, I've been loving belts. Let me take this plastic off. I thought I want a Kate Spade belt with a little bow on it that I had seen. And what do? I go on there and order a different one. That's typical me, you guys. Because these pearls. And then I thought, why didn't I just get them both? They're not that expensive. So I'm going to go back and get the other one. But let me show you this one because it just, oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so it's just a thin belt. I loved the pearls. Look how pretty. I love pearls, you guys. I need to break out my pearls and wear them. Just like for casual. I don't know why I haven't been wearing them. I got a size medium. And I just think that this belt will be so, so pretty with some white pants. So pretty. So I bought this, and I didn't get the one I meant to get. And it's just a little white belt, and it has a little Kate Spade bow. I'm just going to go back and get it. I'm just going to tell you right now. All right, so then I saw this, and I thought it was so pretty. And it's just like a... Well, let's see how big it is. I didn't even look to see how big it is. It's a Kate Spade, either scarf or shawl. And I just thought it was so pretty for spring because I love a good shawl or scarf. So let me show you how cute this is. Seems to be pretty big. Look at, okay, look at that. Look at the little doggy. This is so pretty. It is perfect for what I was hoping for. So it says Kate Spade, New York, right here. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, look at this. Look at the little dog and the ice cream. You guys, I'm not doing a very good job. Hold on. All right, look at that. Camera. Ice cream. This is so, so cute. Oh, look at that. like a little trumpet. I love it. It is a shawl because I didn't really look. I just saw the print and loved it. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my gosh. So this would be perfect if I have on like a sundress and we go to dinner and I just need a little something. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? I love it. Kate Spade, New York. A bow. Because she's kind of known for her bows, and that's what I went on there to get. Like I said, that bow belt, and then I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. Okay, I'm going back and ordering it tonight. But I love this. Okay, and there's one other thing. I forgot. This was in the bottom of the box. I have been loving just a light color on my eye, and I love Charlotte Tilbury, and I saw this color and I thought it was really pretty, so I thought I would try it. I'm loving the creams instead of powder eyeshadows. I'm loving the creamy eyeshadows. So this is the first I've ever bought from Charlotte Tilbury. I have a couple of sticks. Oh, it's beautiful. It kind of looks like a kind of a gold metallic. Let's see what the name of it is. Champagne. Champagne. So if I actually wear some eyeliner, it would look a lot better. But I thought that was so, so pretty. Kind of brightens your eyes. So I'm excited. And if I like this, I'll get other colors, but I wanted to try it. Oh, and I was going to say, one of the reasons I wanted this, not just for the beach, but Keith and I, May the 11th, we're leaving for another cruise. We're going to French Polynesia. We're going to Tahiti, Bora Bora, and other islands as well. And so I'm super stoked about it. He said, I'm kind of tired of Europe right now. Because, I mean, we went to Italy 2 years in a row, and we were in Scotland and Italy last year. So we wanted to do something different and do something where we can get a lot of, you know, warmth. That sounds really good right now. But we wanted to do something totally different. So that's what we're going to do. It's kind of like my birthday trip. So I'm super stoked about it. So I've never been to French Polynesia. I always wanted to go to Bora Bora and actually stay there in those little huts, but we're going to be cruising, and I love cruising, you guys. Love it. It is my new favorite thing to do ever. Okay, guys, that's all I really have to share with you guys right now. If you haven't subscribed, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it so much if you would subscribe and join my fan jam. We have a good time here. Sometimes I'm a little cuckoo. Sometimes I'm serious. And, you know, kind of normal. And then times like tonight, I'm not. Tomorrow's Keith's birthday, you guys. He'll be 61. So we're going to celebrate tomorrow. I doubt we'll be going out anywhere, but I think we're going to have some salmon and just cook here at home and have a nice day together. And yeah, so we're going to celebrate. I thank you so much for spending time with me, and I will see you again in a couple of days. Peace.